Good afternoon, everyone. This is Superintendent of Schools Curtis Coates with our weekly update. This is a reminder to our families that on this upcoming Tuesday, November 2nd, we will have our first Superintendent's Conference Day for staff. This is a reminder to our families that students will not be attending school on that day. Our staff will have an opportunity to be working on strategic curriculum planning and working towards the future for upgrades to what we are teaching in our classrooms and making sure that we are on point for where we need to be to give the best opportunity to every child in every classroom. We're also spending time looking at what the transition to a full indoor setting will look like as we start to really get deep into the fall season. We're looking closely at our health and safety practices. We're making sure that our masking protocols and everything that is coming to us from the Department of Health is closely being followed so that we can continue to preserve in-person instruction and make sure that we're doing everything possible to ensure the health and safety of our students in school and our staff that serve our students each and every day. We'll continue to monitor this closely, and I invite our families to watch our COVID dashboard that we publish transparently on our district website, and please reach out if you have any questions about that. Finally, I want to share that an update on our facilities plans. As many of you have been watching our Board of Education meetings, we have tasked Lan and Gerard Associates with doing an HVAC investigation to our district facilities. It is anticipated that Gerard and Lan Associates will start to present some of the findings along with cost estimates to our Board of Education by mid-November. The goal here being to make sure that we are making appropriate indoor air quality improvements for all those who work and learn in our buildings while maximizing the use of some of the federal funding that the district has received to be able to make those upgrades and being responsible to our taxpaying community at the same time. I invite those of you that are interested to tune in and watch at our next board meeting or come to attend our board meeting to hear some of the findings of Lan Associates. Until then, folks, have a great weekend, and thank you always for watching. Have a good weekend.